So here we are today at Chichester University with the Adidas Eyewear new specific sailing range called the Tycane Pro. It's really interesting to be here and to see kind of what goes into the glasses right from the ground up.
The aim of today is actually to get some good data for us to use from an experimental point of view to validate the performance of the new Adidas eyewear.
And particularly with reference to the curvature of the lens and the optical integrity, and also with the hydrophobic properties of the lens.
We've undertaken various tests on Sam. We've looked at the health of his eyes. We've also looked at key performance, vision performance features such as basic visual acuity, contrast sensitivity, and this enables us to test that sort of quality of vision rather than quantity of vision. See?
Right, left, right, square, circle, heart.
We've then gone on to look at the peripheral awareness and a little bit of eye tracking.
You're going to get sort of a view of what you're seeing. Overlaid on that, we're going to have your eye position.
So we're actually analysing the peripheral vision right the way out beyond and around about 90 degrees from that central fixation.
It was really good to be able to test out the different types of eyewear in a controlled environment.
We're getting around about 20% increase in peripheral awareness with the Adidas.
I felt myself it was quite significantly better, and so a great day and looking forward to doing a bit more on the water tomorrow.
So day 2 here on the water. We'll be looking at his head movements, his eye movements again. We'll have a look at glare sensitivity and the impact that has, and visual quality. So hopefully that'll support what we did yesterday in the lab, and we'll get some great data.
Okay, so here we are, we're out in the water in Southampton water. Looking at these sunglasses actually in the environment I use them in.
Now these stacks are building in full
Here what we're doing is actually doing an eye tracking out on the water. What I can do is I transfer the computer over to this, so Sam will be putting this in his pocket and we'll be tracking his eyes. We've tracked the movements of the eyes, the head. We've also looked at contrast, quality of vision in terms of polarized technology, also the LST tints.
So it's really good to see what it's like actually in the environment, as opposed to it's good to get out there and do the test again and see how it actually makes a difference to sailing.
So we have vision with the Tycane Pro, which is equal to everything that our anatomy allows in terms of peripheral vision, and all of that is undistorted.